Welcome to this presentation of the module Engaging in Citizenship Through Digital Technologies, which is part of the Communication and Collaboration competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. Here you will find the contents for this module. We will begin with an introduction and then address the learning objectives of this module. Afterwards, we will talk about the competence of engaging in citizenship through digital technologies. And then we will see some great digital tools which will help you with this competence in the classroom. Have you ever had your students vote about something in the classroom? Did they use a poll in an instant messaging app by any chance? Online classes have become a common practice, and this actually constitutes a great opportunity to teach students about citizenship and digital technologies. So, by making the teaching and the relevant processes more engaging, students can become more active citizens. Conventional teaching means neglect the link between citizenship and digital technologies. You can, however, use digital tools to guide your students appropriately. The choice of tools is based on the communication and collaboration competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. Here are the learning objectives of this module: to teach students the concept of digital citizenship, to discover how digital tools and technologies in general can be used to promote engagement in citizenship, and to make students curious regarding how technologies can be used to discuss and act as a citizen. What do we mean when we say that the competence of engaging in citizenship through digital technologies belongs to the competence area of communication and collaboration? This competence area is all about transferring knowledge from the teachers and the peers to the student and making sure that everybody helps with the processes of online collaboration. In a way, school, and any type of school, constitutes a community. Having students understand how to act within a community will help them contribute more to the broader societies, digitally or not. You can boost engagement in citizenship through digital technologies by increasing the use of digital tools for the purpose of engaging in citizenship and by educating students regarding the changes caused by digital technology. Proficiency in engaging in citizenship through digital technologies as a competence can be measured by the degree of participation in civic processes through digital technologies and the level of understanding of the citizens' rights and duties in the digital context. The approach towards digital citizenship is becoming different and more complex. You might hear, for example, more and more about digital citizenship from countries launching commercial programs to attract businesses, for example. It also seems that municipalities, some federations, some government services, and some smaller states let you vote or interact digitally, simplifying processes by a large margin. However, a stronger theoretical and behavioral background is needed as a common denominator to any different geographical approach to citizenship through digital technologies. This is the reason why we chose common sense education for a plethora of resources on matters of digital citizenship and equity maps so that students become more aware about equality, equal representation, and the chance of anyone to participate in the classroom and in their communities. Let us begin with our first tool, Common Sense Education. Common Sense Education is a non-profit organization that helps educators with resources and material to teach, among other themes, digital citizenship. It contains reviews and ratings of movies, TV shows, video games, applications, and other media. And for that reason, it also has parenting advice to offer specifically for navigating challenges in the digital age. To access the official website, click on the link here. So, as you can see, Common Sense Education provides a simple and straightforward interface. And the first thing on the menu that you see is, of course, Digital Citizenship. If you click on it, you will see all the submenus with all the relevant content. We suggest two sections, the one being curriculum, full of prompts and educational material to guide both you as an educator and the student on contemporary matters of citizenship, and student games for a more self-paced approach. They offer different interactive media based on the choice of the topic. When to upgrade Common Sense Education? There are no premium plans for Common Sense Education. The next tool we will talk about is Equity Maps. Equity Maps is an iPad application designed to help visualize social interactions in a space. It tracks social interactions in the classroom and can generate data identifying patterns, for example. If Michael, for example, speaks and then every time Deborah speaks after him, this is a pattern that the application would identify. The idea of the map is to measure and improve, making social interactions more equal. To access the official website of Equity Maps, click on the link here. Equity Maps actually constitutes a great nudge to have every student participate. It involves options such as discussion mapping, which basically records the way that the conversation has taken place. It also has feedback frames, which are the outcomes, the results of the session. Equity factors displays the equity ratio. Time spoken is self-explanatory. And with identity markers, you can track participation by subgroups within your group or class. You can add up to 2 categories with multiple characteristics. One question is left unanswered here. When to upgrade Equity Maps? You can upgrade it when you need to add more than 40 participants. You may also want to upgrade when you want to create adjustable tables for custom classroom seating. And you might want to upgrade to track the contribution of each individual participant. You can pause the video here and view the following slides in your presentation. Hopefully, this will create the basis for stronger participation in your classroom as well. Thank you so much for your attention.